Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the another brand new section. In this section, we will learn how easily we can design this amazing t-shirt. I just want to drink coffee and pet my dog. Actually, designing this type of design is pretty simple. We need to create some shapes, then we will add some text and transparent them. And because of that, text color will be changed along with the t-shirt color. Then we will add two different shapes and change the shape color according with our design, and change the icon color, or you can say image color, according with our design. So that will be a very fun one. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now at first I am going to open up Adobe Photoshop. Now I click on File, New, with 4500 pixel, and I set the height 5400 pixel, set resolution 300, choose the background color white. Now to create a blank document, I just simply hit on Create button. So our blank document is just created. From our next lecture, we will start designing our t-shirt.